Hi friends, this video shows how to book gas cylinder. Open Amazon app, tap on this Amazon app icon, tap on this menu icon over here, tap on Amazon Pay, tap on bills and recharges. Go down, tap on LPG gas cylinder. Here you can see the Bharat gas biller that I have already added. If you don't know how to add gas biller, please check the description of this video. Let me tap on this Bharat gas biller. Here you can see the amount, and here you can find customer name, distributor name, payable amount. Then tap on continue. Then you can make the payment. Here I am going to make the payment using Amazon Pay balance. Select Amazon Pay balance, then tap on pay. Done. See, gas cylinder bill payment successful. So this way we can book gas cylinder using Amazon and Amazon Pay balance. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.